Talking on Alpha X-ray, talk to you soon. Contact new departure on 119.2.
19-2, thanks for the help today, guys. 100 X-ray.
No point departure, Juliet, wind 0405, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
24, clear for takeoff, 0 Foxtrot Juliet.
Thanks a lot.
Alright, 99, the airport, the aircraft is airborne. What do you want to do with runway 24?
So that's your last departure?
Affirmative.
Alright, so both runway 119 and runway 64 is closed for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, Roger.
Copy, thanks.
400 Foxtrot Juliet, contact new departure 19.2.
Over to departure, 0 Foxtrot Juliet.
Arlo, same play as yesterday. Since we don't have a quarter mile, we don't have to arrival. In the end of that 30 minutes, you'll get 24, and 19 is going to remain closed. So we'll back the departure / whatever arrival can make it in. The 24 can be open.
Roger.
Thank you, sir. And thank you guys for your help and your patience.
No problem, man.
We're trying.
I can't look at it this way. Were you working here for the blizzard of 96?
No, unfortunately, no. I was in college in 96. No, I wasn't here.
All right, I was working at what used to be Habitat, then International Aviation, then Signature, doing line service. I was here for the entire thing, and Teterboro was the only airport that kept runway 6 open. It did have medevac flights come in for the entire New York area.
Oh, wow. I'm sure that's a feat in its own. That's awesome. That's, what, 36 inches? 27 inches of snow?
I think it was 30-something inches, but, you know, when you guys say, oh, we can't keep up, I'm like, man, you did it in the blizzard of 96, you could do it again.
I guess.
The 4 people working in maintenance that kept the airport open.
Sorry, say again?
I got a picture hanging in the maintenance shop of the 4 people working in maintenance that kept that airport open.
Legendary.
And I'm sure those same 4 people still working here.